Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Before I start working on the Nissan, please help me subscribe to the channel and click that bell notification so every time I have new videos you guys will be updated. But I'm working on a 2006 Nissan Sentra 1.8. So right now the code is for the air fuel sensor 1 bank 1. So that's the O2 sensor on top. Sensor 1 is upstream, sensor 2 is downstream. And right now you can see the check engine light is on. So here's the part that I ordered for the O2 sensor. That's the part number. This is original. This is Denzel. The customer, he bought some cheap part and he threw it in. He changed out the old one with the new one. For Nissan and Infiniti, they're very picky, so you have to buy OEM parts. So here's the connector for the O2. Now you're gonna pull this back. There you go. Disconnect it and use the O2 socket to break it out. Now I got the old one out. Looks fairly new. This is my Denzel original. Everything's the same. Connector is the same also. So I'm just gonna put in the new one. So before you want to put them in, make sure you guys put anti-seize on the thread right here and check the connector. Make sure the wire is not broken, ripped, and check the pin on here. Make sure it's not damaged, corroded. So I got my new one in, tighten it down already. Reconnect the connector, snap this back, and I hooked the extra wire on the little hook right here. So right now I have the key on. I'm going to show you the code again. So P2A00, that's the code. Now I'm going to clear it, and then for this one you got to clear the self-learn also. So clear the check engine light. There you go. And now I'm going to clear the self-learn. Go back to engine. Clear self-learn. So this is you're clearing the air and fuel mixture from the O2 system. Now you're gonna clear that because that's from the old one. So I'm gonna press with the key on, engine running at idle, normal temp. There you go. Continue. Value clear. That's it. So now I'm just gonna turn off the key, turn it back on, and that's it guys. So just an O2 sensor replaced. If you guys new to the channel, please help me subscribe. If you guys have any comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible, but I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.